In this video, I'll show you how to delete the birthday wishes feature on your Facebook timeline. Let's start. Open the Facebook app on your device. Whether you're using an Android or iPhone, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down the page until you see the settings and privacy, and then tap on it. Next, tap on settings. If you can find notifications in the settings menu, use the search icon at the top and type in notifications. Tap on notification when it appears in the search results. Scroll down until you see birthdays. Tap on it to access birthday notification settings. To delete birthday wishes and turn off notifications, toggle off the switch next to Allow notifications on Facebook. Confirm the action by tapping Turn off when prompted. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.